Hello again, Marwan Hussein is here and I would like to welcome you to this new Blender course. In this course we're going to create this headphone from the start to finish. This course will be a small course as compared with my recent courses like Keep Gladiator and Rolls-Royce Spectre. This course is not for beginners, students. If you are a beginner, it's for intermediate and above. In this course we're going to learn how to model this headphone from start to finish. I found some images in the internet about this headphone and I don't know who created this. It's not even exist, but it's a concept. I choose this one because it's simple to create and it has some tricky part to do, and in the same time it's elegant. That's why I picked this headphone to create. After finishing the modeling, we're going to unwrap some of the parts and then we're going to add a material and use some textures. After that, we will render it using Cycle, and I'm going to use the new feature that's been added to Blender 4.0, the light linking. We're going to use it and see how it will work, and I'm going to teach you how to create simple lighting setup, and after that we're going to render it. And about post-processing, I will use Photoshop just to produce the final image. I hope you find this course entertaining and useful, and let's get started.